Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Brad. Brad is here exactly 1 year after his second procedure with us. So he had a procedure initially, and then he had a second procedure. All of this was in the front to tighten up a hairline that wasn't there before. Very handsome man, and he's here in South Florida, and very nice to show his story with everybody. Tell us about the whole process. I mean, it's been really more than 2 years now since you started this journey. Tell us what you think of, how would you do it again, and tell us about the whole process. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I started losing my hair when I was like 16. That's where those first pictures are from. I think I'm like 19 the first time I went into your office.
Yeah.
After the first procedure, I really felt good. I really felt like, it gave me a lot of confidence back. You stop wearing hats in public all the time, stuff like that, And then after the second procedure, it's like I never lost any hair at all, really.
Right.
People who know that I lost hair before, they come up to me, they tell me I look completely different from the way I did, when I was 19. And people who don't know, they never know, because it looks so natural and it looks so normal.
Nice.
Which is really cool. As far as the process, when the actual procedure itself is super comfortable, when you show up, everybody takes really good care of you. Even though you're in a chair for 4 hours, it feels quick.
Yeah.
And post operation, the first couple days are understandably they're rough. You're taking care of yourself, but after that, it goes by pretty quick. And once you're done, it's a lasting change that's going to be there for the rest of my life. And
right.
Super grateful that I did it once, and I'm even happier that I did it a second time. Really.
Yeah. I tell people, the first one's going to take you from black and white TV to color. The second one's going to get you high definition, hairline. So, and you were basically going from zero. So it's really important to know, no matter where you go, 35% is about the maximum density you can get. And 35% makes a hell of a lot of difference. In fact, if you never had a second procedure, it's still a huge win, right? So, now you have, but now it's like you said, it's like you never lost a hair in your life.
Yeah, I mean, this whole area right there.
Yeah.
Wow. There was nothing there before.
Wow.
There was nothing there.
Why don't we just kind of show your hair off if you don't mind? Do it just from the front. You can see, but pull your hair back like if you were gonna. I want to make sure people know this isn't a comb over of any kind.
Yeah.
Do what you're doing with your hair. There, look at that hairline, nice and snap. There you go. So that's what you can expect from zero to two procedures. I would say that's a pretty typical result. Awesome. And then this is how you turn just from the side profile. And I'm going to, there we go. Perfect. Wow. Holy smokes. All right. Let's see the other side, if you would. Dude, that's awesome, man. And then can you put your chin down to the chest? Yeah. Let's see the top. There you go. Perfect. And he's doing some preventatives for the back, and hopefully that will stick around. But I mean, awesome. Thank you so much, man. What would you tell people? I mean, would you do it again?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd do it again. In a heartbeat, man.
Yeah, awesome.
No doubt about it. First time you go in, it's scary. Like, you're kind of nervous a little bit, and then after the first experience, you realize that it's really great.
Yeah.
And then, the second time going in, it was simple. It was easy. So of course I'd do it again. Absolutely.
Thank you for sharing your story, Brad. I guarantee you this will help somebody in their journey, in their process, their research. So I really appreciate it, and enjoy your hair, man.
Awesome. Yeah, doctor. Thank you.
You got it, man. Take care.
You too.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.